Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to Listen and Understand English. Today, we're learning English. Today, we're continuing in our video series on human emotions. We're continuing our video series on human emotions. Today, I'm going to talk about 4 things that make me excited. Woo! Excited. Excited is similar to happy. Excited, woo, is similar to happy. Happy, woo. It's similar. But today, we're talking about 4 things that make me excited. Woo! Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. When I go to a restaurant, I look at the menu, and I order food that you eat. But somebody has to cook. Somebody has to cook. So me, I have to wait. I have to wait. Wait on the food. When the food is cooked and it's ready, the waiter brings me the food. When I see the food, when I see the waiter, I'm excited. Woo! I'm excited because now I can eat. Now the food is ready and I can eat. Very exciting, very exciting. Number 2. Number 2 is easy. It's easy. So, whenever somebody watches my videos, and they subscribe, I'm excited. When somebody watches my videos and they subscribe, or they like the video, or they leave a comment on the video, I'm excited. Woo! It makes me happy. If you watch this video and you subscribe and you like the video and you leave a comment, I will be excited. Woo! I will be happy. Number 3. So me, I love the gym. I love the gym. I love working out. Working out. I love it. Me, I want to be strong. I want to be strong. I want to be fast. I want to be fast. I want to look good. He looks good. I want to improve. I want to get better. When I see results, when I get stronger, when I get faster, when I look good, I'm excited. Woo! When I make progress, when I see results, I'm excited. Do you go to the gym? Do you get strong, faster, stronger? Do you look good? Do you have a good body? This is number 3. When I go to the gym and I see results, when I see progress, then I'm excited. I'm happy. Woo! Number 4. Number 4. This is the last one. The last thing that makes me, woo, excited. Ready? So me, I love being with my friends. I love being with my friends. With my friends, we'll go out. We'll go out. We'll go out dancing, woo, woo, dancing. We'll go to a party, woo, a party. We'll go to a rave, woo, woo, rave. It's exciting when I'm with my friends and we go out to a restaurant, to a party, dancing, to a rave. I'm excited. I love going out. I love going out. Okay? That's number 4. And that's all. That's the end of this video. Did you listen well? Did you understand well? I hope so. I hope so. I hope you listen and I hope you understand so that your English can improve. Keep going. Keep going. Keep listening. Keep watching. And you will understand. Your English will improve. My name is Gregory Scott, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.